Morning! Andito po kami ngayon sa TST. Kasama ko si Madam Bertut. So ito po mayroon kaming Vertex Pro from Chantal. Kaya sa mga gusto po mag-try, try nyo po ito dahil napakaganda po ito talaga sa ating kalus.
Guys, ako po si Jingle. Isa ko sa gumagamit ng produktong ito. Nagkakaroon po kasi ako ng mga allergies, mga kasikati. Ito po ang tinatry ko as inawala siya, nag-dry up po siya. So book nyo po, easy po kayo.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Cecil Katapang and welcome to Chantal Health Talk. Chantal's Vertex Pro Anturata contains 4 powerful ingredients from 4 major countries. Anturata from Taiwan, beta-glucan from the United States, red ginseng from Korea, and fucoidan from Japan. Anturata is a form of a mushroom found in Taiwan with high levels of triterpenoids. Triterpenoids are a form of antioxidants that has been established to have excellent healing properties. It is good against cancer, especially breast cancer, lung cancer, ovarian cancer, brain cancers. It has excellent anti-inflammatory properties. It can prevent replication of the hepatitis B virus. It can also help in reducing blood pressure and blood sugar. The second major ingredient of Chantal Vertex Pro Anturata is red ginseng from Korea. They use red ginseng because red ginseng is better absorbed by the body than any other form of ginseng. Korean red ginseng has been established to be excellent against erectile dysfunction. It is good for your heart health. It can prevent heart diseases. It can improve alertness, boost your immunity, improve your stress level, and treat diabetes. Another major ingredient of Chantal's Vertex Pro Anturata is beta-glucan from the United States, sourced from yeasts. Beta-glucan has been established to be an excellent anti-inflammatory. It can and has anti-cancer properties. It aids in controlling blood pressure, bringing down blood sugar, and beta-glucan helps in bringing down bad cholesterol. It is also excellent against the treatment of osteoporosis. Beta-glucan is also excellent against eczema and bed sores. Fucoidan, one of the 4 major ingredients of Chantal's Vertex Pro Anturata, is sourced from brown algae from Okinawa, Japan. Experts often wonder why Japanese people live very long, and they attribute that to fucoidan. Fucoidan is rich in antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory effects that can help in the prevention of cancer. It can help in bringing down the blood pressure. It supports the immune system. And guess what? Fucoidan is excellent in preventing blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Vertex Pro Anturata ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.